Hello, my name is Artem, this is Maria, and we're gonna go to Odessa to make some certificate to be able to join the ship. Yay! Maria is saying bye-bye to her cats. Yay! Bye-bye. For 5 days. She's not gonna see them 5 days. Let's go. Our father already waiting for us. We're good to go.
We arrived.
Yay!
Exit to the train via the second floor of the station.
Yeah, we just got into train. So we have I think like 7 hours trip. Yep. More?
10 and a half.
10 and a half. Wow.
But are we gonna sleep?
Yeah, we're gonna sit here. We have a nice, good. Oh, you see us? Yay.
Good morning.
Hey, hello. So we just arrived into Odessa, and today gonna be first lessons security awareness.
In Admiral Center.
Yeah,
in
Admiral
Odessa.
Center in Odessa. This is a maritime education center.
Center, yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
We will show you later how it will be.
Security awareness. Let's go. Who is this?
Well, my sister said that I should do like this because after this I will have luck and money. This is famous Asia's Hais, some banker, but
This is gonna be luck and money. Okay, so this is the founder of this city, Emmanuel de Richelieu. And today is the most funniest day. We're gonna go to practice.
to swim in the swimming pool.
You see, we have even our own special bus, Admiral Training Center.
Не передышать. Не страшно? Ну, это что, его нельзя бояться, это ваш друг, он спасает.
Safety first.
Да, конечно, ты смеешь. Вот, оружие проверить.
Читай. Аляска, понятно?
Аляска? Окей. Аляска.
Говорим об одиночном сбрасываемом плоту. У него из корпуса выходит один спусковой пейдинг. Так, что у вас? Пускай нормально будет.
luckiest one. Those are probably gonna jump. I think it's because they're youngest one and they really need to do it.
Одевай, одевай. Ага, ага. You forgot something. That's hard actually to do it in the water. So. You're a good man. That's great. Bravissimo, Artem. Too long. Now you should help to take the sock underwater. Whee!
Сразу видны атлеты, понял? Салага. Вот когда будешь такую фигуру иметь, будешь...
Yay, the socks! He lost the socks. So Artem is taken from the underwater in 4.5 meters below.
Все.
Oh, I'm tired. I was cooking the whole day alone.
She ordered food.
No, I'm cooking. Look. Huh?
It was our house for 3 days. It's small, tiny, but it's right in the city center and it's cool. Something like that. We have smart TV.
It's actually very cool. Small.
Yeah. You have a nice view. Done. Final trip to go home.
Finally. Believe in you, Odessa.
Все, погнали.
We are home! Yay!